compound statements. If, then. This might not look like a compound statement because earlier under the assumption nothing happened to the cat. So cats that are perfectly well and healthy. So all cats have 4 legs. I should stress the fact. Maybe I should. All healthy and uninjured. Cats have 4 legs. Just to be precise and exact. Uninjured. Don't think that's a word. Not injured. Cats have 4 legs. Now, you know, when we did AND statements, I said, or when I started compound statements, I mentioned a compound statement is a combination of more than one, a combination of 2 or more statements. If you look at this case, healthy, all healthy, statement 1, not injured, statement 2, cats have 4 legs, statement 3, put them all together. But when I first started, I started with all cats have 4 legs. When you read it, it simply looked as if it's just the statement and not a compound statement. I completely agree. That is not a compound statement. What I started with, all cats have 4 legs, is just a statement. But look at this expression. If a cat is healthy and not injured, then it has 4 legs. So I have 2 simple statements. First one, P here, Q there. And I am saying if P, then Q. So if P, in other words, P must happen, condition, Q is whatever consequence of that condition. If condition, then consequence. So because of that condition part, we refer to this compound statement as a conditional statement. If P, then Q. In terms of notation, Q could only happen if P is true, so we write it as P arrow Q. This is a compound statement, but the part right here, this compound statement involves what we call a connective. So why do we call it a connective? Well, the consequence is connected to the condition. If the condition doesn't happen, you wouldn't have the consequence. If the cat is not healthy and injured, if that failed, then I can't say cats have 4 legs or cats have 4 legs. So if there is a connection, simply means one has to happen to get the other. In logic, the statement that is an if is called the antecedent. Q is called the consequent. One follows the other. The consequent follows the antecedent.